that's the one.
Okay.
And then on the next one, that's it. So we want this to be snug. So
Gonna tighten
and
that.
then to just pull this together.
Hmm.
And want to get it as tight as possible. Press down on this to get it tight. Because you don't want the seat to be moving. I want to get it very, very tight to make sure. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It's not moving now. So just to store that, and then the seat is good. So I'm gonna put the car seat on it now. So we could either do this or we could use this strap.
Oh, okay.
But I rather use that because it would be like this and over all kind of nonsense. I think it's level with the go. That it's in place. So it is good to go.
No, why is it shaking so much?
It's not. It's not the foundation that's shaking. It's just the car seat.
That was pretty easy.
So yeah. So it's actually
But
the
so
anchor.
it's not gonna be anchored in, like.
It is anchored here. So
But
this
you
is
lifted it, Lee. You lifted it so easily.
not with this.
Oh.
So it can't come out otherwise. Like here's the lock right here. Listen.
Hmm.
Listen. You that? You that? So now you can't take this out
Oh.
unless you release it. Right here.
Okay. Got you.
Yeah. So that's why I check to make sure this is firm.
So this is what it looks like. And we can close this. It's freezing today, guys. Freezing. But yeah.
So this is what I was saying. No, so you would have the mirror
And
here.
then we're gonna put the camera right
or you
here.
can put the camera on that and angle it here.
Yeah, but yeah. We're gonna have a camera and a mirror. So I guess I
Mirror.
can put the mirror here. Because they do have one that actually, yes. And then put the camera here. So that will work better.
And then we already have this part that there's a button here too. So when you press this, you could extend the strap to put it on. Put it on baby. Baby is not gonna be big, so maybe right there. And then you tighten it like that.
Oh, sweet.
And you do that part last, and then you kind of secure baby.
Okay. Awesome.
And then you tighten. So you do kind of on here.
Mm-hmm.
The baby's legs here, baby's arms here, baby's head here. Baby's good to go.
Baby's good to go.
Snug. Won't be moving.
Absolutely love this car seat.
Oh.
It's quite expensive, but it's worth it, I'd say. And if you guys have not seen the actual unboxing video that we did, well, we went live last night, so you can check out the live for the stroller travel system unboxing that we did last night. And welcome. Thanks for tuning in.
That's if you don't have the bottom strap in. You could not use the bottom and just use this as the base.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. All right, that's a wrap. So we're gonna wrap up here. Yeah. You can strap it in if you want, but it's not necessary at this point. Want to take this?